up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa. Today's video is going to be on this 3D Halloween spider makeup look that I have created here. I'm going to show you on my channel today this easy 3D spider that I created, and I tried to give it like a little shadow effect as well. This is very easy to create, very little products. You probably have this products in your makeup kit or just laying around the house. But if you're looking for a last minute Halloween makeup look and you don't have a costume, this is a go-to look. So stay tuned so I can show you a detailed tutorial on how I created these 3D spiders, and all the products used will also be listed down below. And if you have not already done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload any new videos here on my channel. So stay tuned for this detailed look. So I'm starting off with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in a color 360, and I'm using my Real Technique foundation brush to apply that foundation all over my face. I did prime my face before I went in with my foundation, and I did use the e.l.f. grip primer before I applied my foundation, but I did not show that on camera. So now I'm just going in with my damp beauty blender, and I'm just blending that foundation all over my face, blending it in basically. And so that was the Airspun setting powder that I'm showing you guys, that I have showed you guys, and I'm just using this powder puff to just apply that highlight, excuse me, not highlight, but just apply that setting powder underneath my eyes. And then for the rest of my face, I did go in with my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the shade that is my skin tone, which I believe is a brown shade. But I just put that Airspun translucent powder underneath my eyes because I did want to highlight underneath my eyes. And off camera, before I put the setting powder, I did use my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn underneath my eyes, my Cupid's bow, my chin, and the bridge of my nose to create that highlight effect. But I did cut that part out, so that's why I did highlight the areas with the Airspun translucent powder, and then go in with the Maybelline Fit Me with my regular skin tone just to bring that color back into my face. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color beige, and I'm using this really small well, it's not that small, but this small brush to draw my spider onto my face using that beige color. So the brushes that I'm going to be using today, I did get this in a pack of 7 to 10 brushes, and I did get these from Amazon. These were actually some brushes that I purchased to use for nails, because I do nails as well, but I just never used it for nails, so I just decided to draw on my design with these brushes here. So what I'm trying to do is just draw just draw my spider, and I was trying to make sure that the spider legs were even on each side, make sure there's the same amount of legs on each side. So that's what I was trying to do here in this video. And I do have this smaller mirror. I have this small mirror in front of me because it's a lot closer than the other mirror that I have in front of me as well. So it helps when I'm working on those small areas and trying to do details. I need the mirror to be closer, so that's why I have that in my hand. So now what I'm doing is, this is a Black Radiance. I believe this is a concealer or contour shade. I forgot what I forgot what color it is, but I will be sure to try to remember to link it in the description down below. But I'm using this, and I'm using another brush to apply that brown concealer, and I'm just outlining my spider webs. So I'm just outlining the whole image of the spider web just to give it that 3D effect. So with that concealer, it's going to bring it out and make it stand out a lot more because it is beige, and that brown is going to give it that effect of it is sitting on top of the skin, rather than me just drawing an image on to my skin with that product. So that's why I'm going in with that concealer and outlining the whole image of the spider basically. And I did want to keep this video in real time because I just wanted to show you guys, as always, in all of my videos, I want it to be, very detailed so you can see step by step, every step that I'm taking and all the products that I'm using as well. And, usually I like to speed up certain clips because it's repetitive and, I don't want someone to get bored watching the same thing, me doing the same thing repeatedly on that same image. So I do like to speed it up sometimes, but sometimes I just let it play through in real time. If I'm working on certain details and I feel like this needs to be shown in its entirety instead of speeding it up, I would just let it play out and play through basically. So now I'm just going on with the other side. I'm using that same beige LA Girl Pro Concealer and going in with one of those brushes I did purchase from Amazon. The set of brushes, I did use the smaller brushes, the smaller brush in this pack of brushes to achieve this, because I didn't want to go in with a brush that was too big because I felt like it would just make the image too big. So I tried to go in with the smaller brush so I felt like I have a little bit more control as far as just me drawing my design and just making it the size that I want rather than it have to be the size of whatever brush that I was using, if that makes sense to anyone. So I did want to, initially when I started October, I wanted to see if I can post a video maybe every day to every 2 to 3 days, but I have been a little bit behind on my videos as far as me uploading any type of Halloween content here for my Halloween theme that I have going on for October. But I am just trying to get back motivated and just stay on track with me posting regularly here on my channel for the month of October, as far as just for my Halloween looks that I have and my special effects makeup looks that I have as well. I do have some other Halloween videos, Halloween makeup look videos that I have here on my channel. I do have some special effects video on my channel already that's already posted as well from the last Halloween. So if you guys are interested, I hope you guys will, stay tuned. And after this video, you guys can go and check out some of my other Halloween looks that I have on my on my channel. I did the Avatar, I did It, I did Chucky, just a whole bunch of other videos. And yeah, I hope you guys are interested in seeing that content as well. If you are, go ahead and check that out after this video. And so for this next step, what I wanted to do is create that 3D effect. So I did go in with that darker shade and just outline the legs of that spider web. And this is the finished product. As you can see, this look was very easy to achieve and very fast, affordable products as well. You don't have to spend a lot out the bank just to create a simple Halloween makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel here. And I hope you stay tuned for my new upcoming videos that I have coming on my channel, and connect with me on my social media platforms as well. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.